Hello, everybody. Hello. It's Friday. I'm back. I'm going to put some music on. Hopefully that's not loud enough to play too much in the background and get picked up, and so I won't get copyright struck, because I like having music on when I... Okay, you know what? I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna be careful, and I'm gonna put on my headphones, just because that's getting me paranoid. I do not remember if I had my headphones on last time, but I will this time. Jesus, fuck, that's loud. Clouds to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. So yes, I am back. I am doing some game development stuff. I'm once again attempting to continue building my little top-down stealth game in Unreal 5. If I remember correctly, last time we got these guys, Joe Bob and Jimothy over here, to move along particular tracks. I've just realised that one of them's a lot bigger than the other. Jesus, did I shrink that one? Did I scale you down? What's your... I mean, his scale's at 1. Why are you at 0.75? Why are you smaller? Why are you so small? Why is he so wee? How did I fucking do that? Jesus. It's just, yeah. So you're on the nav mesh. You're alright. Let's just double check if this guy's... Yeah, he's got his feet on the ground. He's got his feet on the ground, so we're all good there. So yeah, currently the game just looks like this. Because we've got your man, and we've got his movement, and we've got some camera. We've got the camera budging a bit when it comes up against walls, and we've got our boys moving along their tracks. Actually, hang a second. Right, let's get this fella right. That, please. Right, because he's not naturally on that track. So is he gonna run there and then move? This is important. I promise this is important. Because if he naturally, due to the nav mesh, runs back to his path, that is actually going to be very important, because we're making a stealth game, and if he sees the player, he's going to chase after them. But if he loses sight of the player for long enough, I'll need to remember to put a delay in for that, he's going to need to go back to his patrol route. So if I don't actually have to do much, if I just have to say when sight is negative, when sight equals false, next point is Blair, and he goes back to the start of his route and goes or even just have him doing his normal patrol, have the whole thing based on a boolean, and have his whole patrol be like, when it's false we do this, and then when it's true we do this. So then when it stops being true, which will happen on a delay, then we can switch back to... Yeah, then we can switch back to... The delay is probably going to be hard. I might piss about with speed, so that's not so much of a problem. Sorry, I got some Tom Hardy playing. Yeah, okay. Because if that does that, then that's going to make that particular piece of programming easier. Oh god, that's good shit. Oh, that stuff is fucking good. Unfortunately, I can only find it in bloody Asda. I'd rather not give money to the fucking the British arm of Walmart. I'm going to need to get rid of that. Level design is probably going to be the last thing that I do for this, because I want to get all the I'll get all the mechanics working in this playground, because this playground I think is probably good enough to do the job. But then I will make my own level to demonstrate this. I'll probably be able to make that in engine without having to go into Blender, but yeah. I might go into Blender. We might do some stuff in Blender. Fuck it. There's literally no deadlines on this. I'm having a good time. So yeah. I did actually I have made a list in my little fucking fancy Shakespeare game design notes. It says that is about like what we need left to do. And kind of the main next thing, like I want to do better AI pathing. I don't know if that's the next thing I should do, or somebody followed me just before the start of the stream. Thank you, Sphere 110. Thank you. So yeah, I'm not sure if I want to do the better AI pathing now, or if I want to do the vision first, and then see if I can get back to the pathing, but then I'll probably have to rebuild the pathing anyway. Fuck it. Maybe I should do the grabbing. Yeah, you know what? Maybe I'll do the grabbing the enemy when they're while unseen. So let's get our third-person character that we've been fucking around with, because all we've got right now is input mapping and movement input. So, excuse me. I literally haven't touched the Unreal Engine since the last time you guys saw me, so that's probably been about, what, 3 weeks? 4 weeks? On the moon. There's probably going to be a surprising amount of me singing in this, because I'm in a good mood. I've had a good day. I had a very good day. I recorded a filler video that'll go up if the next time I'm unable to do this. I went to the dump to get rid of a bunch of wood that's been sitting in my shed. Finally, it's been sitting there for fucking ages. And I got rejected from a job that I wanted. So yeah, it's been a fairly decent day. That's not as sad as it sounds. I get job rejections every day. That is as sad as it sounds. Right. Right, okay. I need collision. I need a collision. On collision? Get closest point... oh, fuck. Get closest point on collision. Returns the distance and closest point to collision surface. That's not what I'm after. Okay. Let's just go collision. Okay. I'm just gonna... Okay. So we have, we've got our inputs. Okay. Once again, we turn to our old faithful friend, Google. Genuinely, Google is the one friend of every programmer, especially if you're new. Unreal Engine 5. Collision. So setting up collisions. Don't want to do. The key is knowing what to. The key is to know what to search for. That's enabling collisions. I don't want to. How to trigger an event when a player collides with something. Thank you. Okay, this is a tutorial about when things happen. This is a tutorial about getting an event to trigger when you go through a certain spot. Yeah, you're setting up a volume. Give me my... Yeah. Right. On actor begin overlap. Okay. That's the thing we're looking for. Thank you. I'm going to need to refer back to this like 4 times, I guarantee you. On actor. Keep forgetting it's not all... Events. Actor begin overlap. When this actor overlaps another actor, for example, a player walking to a trigger for events where objects have a blocking collision, for example, when a player hitting a wall, see hit events. Okay. So, actor begin hit. Begin input touch. You know, this is touch when click events are enabled. Nope, that's not what I'm looking for. Okay, so the other actor, this is the thing, is I need to get a reference to the particular thing, because I only want this to activate when I run into the enemies, not the walls. Because if I run this into... Yeah, because if I so... Cast enemy AI 1. Okay, so this casts to enemy AI 1. Which would be anything. And the enemy AI 1 is what we're using to assign all of our enemy stuff to. And all I'm going to do right now, is blow it up. I'm just going to destroy it. Because my thinking, because I was explaining the premise of this in the last stream. The idea is that you are playing as a... Ooh, autosave, yay. It's Snake meets Snake as a stealth game. So you sneak up on somebody and you grab them, and then you have the thing, you have the trail behind you, which naturally makes you easier to spot. In the original, I slowed you down as well, but you get bigger bonuses for dropping off more enemies at the same time. So my logic is that rather than taking the enemy object that we have and taking the big complicated AI blueprint for that, and potentially risking any bugs for that, excuse me, we just destroy that and spawn an object behind the player. We just spawn an object behind the player that looks like it. Which might get complicated when eventually I start doing... Which will probably end up getting more complicated when you... If, you know, I make this game more complicated visually and we start getting actual... You know, actual robot designs. They have to look like actual robot designs. I might make them look like fucking crushed trash cubes for... No, that would go against the narrative. But for now, what I'm thinking of, just to prove that the system works, is blow up the enemy AI object when I run into it, and spawn a sphere behind me. First part of that, of course, blow up the enemy AI. But that's probably both going to have to happen within this, because it's going to be begin overlap enemy AI. Tries to access object as a blueprint class. Object as a blueprint class, it might be in itself. Okay. Cast failed. Editor. Quit. I want to, if this doesn't work, I want this to crap. No, I don't want this fucking crap. I'm not talking about. Print string. String. Collision cast failed. Always make it something simple or something ridiculous. That's usually what I do. Now let's see. Destroy actor. That's what I'm looking for. Destroy actor. Okay. That theoretically works. Because you get the actor overlap, unless I've used the wrong inciting event. Because this is in the third person character. Overlaps with an enemy. Gets access to the blueprint. Blows up the object. Destroys the actor. Destroys the actor, not the blueprint. Because I don't know if this trouble exists in Unreal, but I had this problem in Unity. Where, because every script was an object, I ran into the occasional problem where I would destroy the script and not the object. Which means the actual physical thing in the level would just stay there. But all of the code attached to it would disappear. Which was very stupid. Right, so let's see if this works. Okay, we have this, so... Oh! That crashed! Okay. I think that destroyed the player. I think that destroyed the player. Destroying online subsystem. Okay. Okay, that didn't work. So, why didn't it not work? So it should destroy enemy AI. Okay. So it should be able to destroy the enemy AI. Because what basically the plan is that this shit will happen. But I'll put some stuff in here that is the conditional stuff that says if colliding when seen, bad shit. With colliding when unseen, destroy. So these guys will go down as the down as the unseen, and I'm going to desperately try not to let this become absolute fucking spaghetti code. Because again, I'm fairly new to blueprints. I studied them a little bit in university, decided I didn't like them, and then never touched them again. But I am a more open-minded asshole these days, so I'm going to try and do better. Alright, what the fuck's wrong with you? Okay, let's just do... Okay, let's just break this link. And do... print string... print a screen. Thank you. Colliding. Just do that. Components on both this and the other actor must have begin generate overlap events set true to generate overlap events. That's not my problem though. My problem is that it crashed the fucking system. That crashed again. Okay. I think this is the problem. Because that shouldn't have crashed that. Okay. Let's see. Enemy AI 1. Mesh. Collision! Generate overlap events. Yes, that works. Fuck. Is it alt click or is it control click? I've forgotten how to get the fucking cursor back again. Shit. No, hang on. Okay, so we should have AI controller 0, third person character. Okay, show me your meshes. Show me your collisions. Mesh. Generate. Oh! Okay. I don't know. Generate overlap events. Huh. Well, it's got the right thing ticked, so that wasn't the fucking problem. Cool. Right then. What the fuck do we do? Show me the blueprints. Okay, so actor hit. Fuck's sake. Hit actor. Event hit. Yep. Okay. When bumps into blocking object or blocking. Okay. Okay, so let's just try our print string again, see if it behaves itself. Print string screen goes colliding and run it. Just run it. Shift F1 for mouse cursor. Thank you. Did I put something in the enemy AI last time that kills the player? Did I do that? Oh my god, I fucking did that. Oh my god, I already started doing that. Oh god, I'm stupid. Alright. Okay. Fuck, I'm dumb. Yeah. Yeah, that's the exact fucking thing I needed. I'm gonna try and do it in the player. Try to do it in the player class. Colliding, colliding, colliding. Okay. Let's go back to my original plan. Oh, God, bones, I'm fucking stupid. Nothing quite like remembering that you did a thing last time. Nothing quite like not remembering you did a thing last time to fucking screw you over, right? Okay. So other. Okay, this should work. I also need to remember how to do comments. Okay. Bop. Oh, it works! Oh, it works! Oh, that's simple as shit and it works! Wait, what? Okay. Okay. Is there another enemy? Because you had this issue last time where it was running into something invisible here. And it's just like, what the fuck is that? Different character. AI controller? Video memory exhausted. Whoopsies! There's something there, and I don't know what it is. But it's an actor. Is it the fucking player start that I'm colliding with? Am I colliding with the player? That's the player character that I made before. Right, you're going to have no gravity, and you're going to fuck off up here. You're going to fuck off into the sky. Okay, no issues there. But also, bam! Bam! Up! Bam. Of course, yeah, because the walls are actors as well. That's fine. Nothing bad seems to happen when the collision cast fails. That's cool. That's all good. That's Gucci. Now, the next thing is to create the sphere that would follow us. So what I need is another blueprint class. I keep thinking that doesn't work. So the content draw. So in the good, we go new blueprint class. This is gonna be it. This is gonna be an actor. I'm going to call it... Oh, shit. Rename. I'm going to call it Follow Pawn. No, because that gets confusing because then people think it's a pawn. I'm just going to call it Follow Tail. Follow Tail Unit. Because these are going to turn into a long snake tail. So, get this. What do we need? What do we have? We have the default scene route. What do I need? I need a volume. Fuck. Okay, there we go. I need a simple volume. How do I do that? Component. And just give me fucking spheres. Yeah, literally just give me a sphere. Let's call it body. And then give me a sphere collision. Collision. Oop. There we go. Let's do that. And then can I... Right. Right, this is a collision. Got a sphere, got a collider. That's all we actually need. What I need now is the event graph. This is the thing. Okay. Now, event when play begins for this actor. I'm not looking for overlap. Because what this needs... So I'm going to put the spawning code in the third-person character in a moment. Actually, you know what? No, I'm not. I'm going to do a bitch basic simple spawn code now and then get it to behave itself. Destroy actor and then create actor. Spawn actor from class. Select class. Follow tail unit. Spawn transformation. Spawn transform. Right. I'm gonna need to put in some. I'm gonna need to put in a fucking setter for the spawn transform. But for now, there's a beautiful woman sending me pictures of maple pork belly. Brilliant. Oh, life is good. Right. New variable. Need to create a variable. This is going to be a transform. Thank you. Tail spawn. I will do things to this later to set it, but at the moment, this motherfucker is going to be we're going to do we're just going to put the two of these here, move you along a little bit, and do get a set tail spawn here. Tail spawn. And this should... I've forgotten how you edit the default value or something. Yeah, this is probably best actually, because if I keep that there and then I just do a little like a bullshit set here, then I should be all right. I just want to stick some default numbers in. Oh, right there. I'm not clever. Yeah, just keep it at 0, 0. Keep it at 0, 0. We'll set it in a minute. I can put something in there to set it to sit at the player, but just behind it, based on how many there are, because I'm going to need to load these motherfuckers into an array to keep track of them. But we're gonna just do one at the moment. We're just testing one. Just testing one. Yeah, this should work actually. This should just spawn a sphere that doesn't do nothing, doesn't do anything, and we can run with it. Okay. So, here we are. Expect extremely poor performance. That happens. No sphere. Wait a second. Shit, where's 0, 0, 0? Oh, where the fuck is 0, 0, 0? I actually don't know where 000 is. Because I don't think it's there. Tell you what I'll do. Fuck. Player start. Where's the player start? What's the location for this? I'm just gonna drop balls on it. Copy that. And then just paste it into that. Yeah, because I think I was spawning them off the thing, so I don't know if it worked or not. If I was spawning them. So, start here. Run up. And then this guy runs into me. No ball. Shit. No ball. Well, actually, the way we check it is there... Oh! Okay, they exist. They do exist. They do exist. They're at 0, 0. They are at 0, 0, 0, 0. I didn't recompile the blueprint. I made a dum-dum. Because I need to recompile everything. And then save it. And then run it. Always be careful with your saving and your running. Right, run it here. Still no ball. Are they just defaulting? Yes, they are. Piss. Right. Okay. Where is is 0, 0? Oh no. Where is 0, 0, 0? Is it here? Is that 0, 0, 0? Is there a ball? Okay. Right. That's not good. So, geez a second. Just give me a fucking basic actor. And set him to a 0, a 0, a 0. Okay. Then you click the basic actor and you go F. Yeah. So it'd be spawning in the fucking corner here. And that's not really what I want. So I genuinely can't tell where they're going. Okay. It's setting it. It's setting it to 0 because I'm using a setter. I am not very clever because there's no input going into the fucking setter. It's defaulting to 0. Oh, smart. I'm a smart man. I am a smart man. Get tail spawn. Run tail spawn into fucking set the tail spawn. I am clever. I am a university graduate and a business owner. I am. Alright, let's try this one more time. Let's let the motherfucker run into me. Ball! Okay. Spawns. Jesus, it's a big boy. Okay. It's a ball. Solid ball. Can I summon 2 balls? What happens when I summon 2 balls in the same place? Nothing. Okay, they're just existing in the same spot. Are they existing in the same spot? Double check. Always check. You're at 911, 192. You're at... Yeah, they are occupying the exact same spot. Okay, but they do spawn. But they do spawn. That's the important part. That's the important part. Fuck was I gonna do next? Okay. So they do spawn. So, what I'm gonna do is move this all down. We're going to go here to a switch. If I could spell switch. Oh, Jesus. What was the last time? It was a branch. Let's just go to you. Branch. So, if condition is false, go to there. If condition is true, do nothing at the moment. Condition is default false. So this is our if seen. So I'm going to create I'm going to create the boolean now. Is seen, and you should be a boolean, please. Compile, because we learned that already. Is seen. Default false. Is seen. Okay. And we shouldn't need to set that here. We shouldn't need to set that here because that's going to get set somewhere else. Yeah, that's going to get set. That's actually probably going to get set. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to see if that's possible to set that in here when we do the... when we see it. Like, do the... okay, here's your vision ray cast, and when that hits player, run the... either set this variable in player, or if that's easier, run this event in player. But this isn't... they're not really... but they're not really individual functions, are they? It's a bit weird. It's a bit weird like that. Right. That's always going to need to be there. So we're just going to move that back there. And then this lot, I'm going to move over here. Collapse nodes to function. Create comment. Thank you. Collision if seen. Kill. Sorry, this is collision if unseen. Destroy. Jesus, my typing is terrible today. Destroy enemy and spawn follow tail. Okay. That works. So, we've got the blow the guy up. We've got the blow the guy up. And we've got the spawn the thing. Now we need to make the thing follow the thing. Okay. So... okay. Right, there's a few ways we can do this, because there's a few things going on in my head. Sometimes I can either create an array and load these actors into it and then destroy them and remove them when they get deposited into a score thing. But that can get really dodgy. Taking elements out of an array can be quite dodgy. So I'm going to be a bit hesitant to that. But honestly, I'm just thinking, because these follow tails are their own distinct actor, it might be possible just to count how many there, to get a system that counts how many there are. And if I do that and I include it in the follow tail, no, I would need to include it in the player so that it doesn't double up. But if I include a counting system, if I can get a counting system to work in the follow tail, it will help decide what place it is in the queue, in the order. Then that proves that I'll be able to just count how many they are, apply a multiplier, that's your score. Bam. So, yeah. So now I need to do the follow tail. So, right. Is that what? Okay. I need to fucking check the thing. Right. Let's check the Unreal Automation. Does this happen when the scene is played, or does this happen when the actor is? Oh, that's fucking useful. It just gives me the exact same thing as you get when you hover over this. Thank you, Unreal, and your useful documentation. Event when play begins for this actor. Right. It's called... Okay. Let's see if I can see what the forums say. Right, okay. So, event begin play does fire on game begin, not on object creation. Okay, the event begins play event is called for all actors when the game is started. Any actors spawned after the game is started will have this called immediately. All the events are pretty much called simultaneously. The event order is discussed thing. Okay. Okay. Alright. So... Okay. How did we get to cast to... Right, okay. So what we need, because what I need is EP underscore third person character. Okay, so what I need is I need access to the third person character, and I need their, because I need their location. Tail spawn cast failed. Okay, so cast of this, bleh. Because it will be spawned immediately behind you, which will be set here. Because we're setting the location of the spawn here. Okay, and that will happen in this area here, where this is currently playing placeholder. So we can go over here. It's already should be appearing behind the player, so we don't need to worry about that. We just need to worry about it then following the player. Okay, so as third person character, get actor location. Get actor location. Okay. I feel like I'm... Right, okay, hang on. Because the way I did it, the way that... Because the way that I would do like follow AI in Unity was essentially you would get the location of the player character, and then you would have the object move towards the player character until it got to location plus X, and then stop. Works really well if you're getting somebody to just follow along behind you. So I think this might work. I don't know how fucky it's gonna be. I don't know how fucky it's going to be with multiple objects, but I'll give it a go. So character location, move. Let's move component 2. How did I get this to go? AI move 2. Okay. Okay, we're doing AI. Get the AI move 2. But I'm gonna do it over here because I'm gonna need a few things. AI move 2. Pawn. Let's go self. Oh shit. Okay. This thing's an actor. This thing's a character. It's got a thing, so I want to do an operation here so that it becomes less on the Jesus, what axes are we using? X, Y, Z axis is the top. Okay, so X and Y. Yeah, so it'll follow correctly, so we're moving around on the X and Y axis. So it'll go whoop them. That should theoretically work. So I want to do an operation here to choose that, but at the moment I need to... So this is the thing we're moving, which is... Oh, actually, acceptance radius. That might be something I can fuck with. Because that's a radius at which point we're like, okay, we have moved to this thing. So if I expand that, right, that makes that easier. That should hopefully make that easier. Unless that's something completely different and I am very wrong. Pawn. So how did I get the access to the self again? Oh. Okay. Okay. Object. Self. Get a reference to self. Okay. So, right. Does not inherit from... Cast to be people always fail. Okay. Alright, okay. Right, hang on. What am I doing? Cast to be... Does not inherit from volatile units. So, what I need to do in order to get the cast to work... Do I actually need to cast to them? Because if I could... We've got a target actor. So, can I just do... Yeah, so can I just do that? Ah, fuck. Yeah, that does the exact same thing I'm trying to do. Does mean I don't need this. But I can just go... So I can go to there. I can just skip out a middleman there, that's fine. But I need something in this object. But I don't know what object it needs to be. I'm confused. Does not inherit from volatile unit. It inherits from character. So do I need to get character? Do I need to get around to the character class? This is... Alright, so this was... Casting to the capsule component, it was asking to this. Okay, this... We're casting to... We're not casting. Casting to AI, which is... Okay, a reference to the other object that we hit. So get that object reference. Where am I going to get? Okay. Honestly, let's just see what happens. Nope, that still gets me. Okay, can I give me a reference player? Can I get an object, please? Rotator transfer. Object types. Actor. Object reference. Okay. Yes, I'm aware. Wait a second. From the viewport. Ah, shit. It doesn't exist in the viewport. Okay, hang on a second. So, if we get that, get player, and then go bang. So what I need now is somehow to get a reference from. Nope, that's not gonna work. Okay. Okay, that's not useful. That doesn't work. Types. A class reference? Maybe a class reference is what I'm after. Do you give me character? Do you give me a character reference? Are you like a halfway decent boss and giving me a character reference? You are. This can break connections. Do you want to search all variable player instances, change its type, and recompile? Yes. That's fine. Okay. You're a character. Default value. Now can I just go away? Editing this value on a class default object is not allowed. What? But I need to set the value. Huh? Okay. This might not be working. Arrays Sarah map. Okay. Well, at least explains how I do arrays. Okay. Reference to a specific. Can I get a blueprint reference? Blueprint property container. Blueprint property test object. Actually, no. No. Stop being a twat, Jay. Get a class reference to. Yes. Oh shit, that's not gonna work. Okay. Because it needs an object reference, so the class reference ain't gonna work. Bollocks. Oh god almighty. So change an object, character, bang. Let's compile. It's fine. This. This is a character. That's not gonna work. Okay, that's annoying. Right. Didn't work out as an actor. Didn't work out as a player. Okay. Because this needs to know. This needs a reference This thing needs a direct reference to the player anyway. Like, this thing's going to need a reference to the player fairly consistently. Also, I think since this is an event begin, I'm not sure if it's going to work. So I may have to create a loop. Maybe give it a delay and then back in, like we did with the enemy AI, except it's a constantly updating location. Okay. Back to Google. Get player character. Turns the player character. Fucking really? There's just a function for get player character? And I've been fucking around with this for no reason. Also just realized it was on the wrong thing, so none of y'all have been able to see any of this shit. Sorry, wasn't paying attention. So if I just go bang, bang, bibbidi bow, and then go... Okay, on event begin play... Get player character. Yeah, that one. Bang. That should work fine. AI move to target pawn. Okay, this should be self. How did we do this again? How did we do this? How did we do this over here? Actors don't have the... I need to start again! Actors do not inherently have the capacity to move. That's characters. Okay. I'm about to break some things. So, you're just going to fucking go away for a second. And we're going to go in here, into my content drawer, and I'm going to kill you with a knife. So let's just compile. Kushti? Okay, so yeah, force delete. Okay. So we're gonna create a new blueprint class, which is a character. Jesus Christ. And it's going to be follow tail. Right. Cool. Can I just close all the fucking... Alright. Okay, follow tail. Let's see. Cancel components. Let's just... Right, we're getting rid of this. Give me a fucking sphere. Give me a fucking sphere. No. No. This default scene root component. It cannot be copied, renamed, or deleted. Shit. Alright, time to scale it. It's been inherited from the parents class, so its properties cannot be edited here. New scene components will automatically attack. Son of a bitch! Can I just... Alright, so... That's fucking fun. So its collision's going to be wonky as shit. Because I'm going to be keeping this thing as largely as a sphere collider. Like, it's getting a sphere collider. Okay. I can't edit it. I can't shrink it or anything. That's fun. Why do you make it a capsule collision? It assumes that's going to be the standard walking mesh. Okay, let's turn you off. You don't get generate overlap events. Everything that you are doesn't exist. Okay? You don't have collisions. So get me a sphere collider. This is the thing with using... Huh? This is the thing with using default components and like stuff being done for you. Oh, there we go. The thing about stuff being done for you is that sometimes it will just get in the way. I kind of like building stuff from scratch, but at the same time, if I was doing that, I'd have had to build my own entire walking setup. So, you know, you give and take. Okay, so event graph. Right, okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna save this, and we're gonna open the this again. We're gonna set up the spawning again just to make sure that it works. Spawn character. Oh bollocks! All right, let's try spawn actor from class and see if it fucking works. Follow tail. Okay, it does work. Okay, so it does work. It does work. Save. I'll have this save. No option. Activate. Okay. Let's try again. Do I still have balls? Okay, we still get balls. Still get more balls. Oh, that is not what I meant to do. Oh, but look at the colors. Oh, look at the wireframes. Okay, let's try. Yeah, because what I was trying to do. Let's go Shift F1. Let's see if it had still... Okay. It only generated one of them. That's not necessarily good. That's actually very bad. Okay. So, go... Bang. And it creates follow tail 0. You should see follow tail 1. Okay. Alright, that's gonna be annoying. That's gonna be an absolute bastard. Right, so it spawns it at that place. Right, let's do the following. AI move to sorted. Pawn self sorted. Sorted. You two, fuck off. Destination. Okay, actually, what I need to do is I need to go here. How did I just do this? Because I just did this. How the fuck did I do this? The answer is, I don't know if I fucking did. Right. Get player. Get player character. That was it. Okay. This should work. Right. Alright then. So, bang. It does not move. Also still doesn't fucking... Okay. Have I forgotten something? Is there a nav mesh component? Is there a... bad. Was enemy AI1 that I was using? Yes, it was. Okay, so self, we got the destination. Honestly, I'm just gonna kind of complete this. Yeah, you're gonna wait for half a second and then you'll follow. And completed, we're just gonna go back to here. So I get the feeling that this is not what I'm after. Nope. Fucking print string. When debugging, print string is your friend. Print string is your best friend. It is your god. Alright, recompile, save, fire! Bonk. Okay, so... Huh. That's interesting. It should just float towards me. It doesn't need the skeleton. It doesn't need the skeleton mesh, does it? Okay. That's weird. That is weird. Huh. That's interesting. The casting's working. So why ain't it moving? It should be moving the self. This is the pawn, the thing that is moving. Because I didn't get the destination. No, I got the target actor. Does that not provide... Does that not provide location? Radius. Let's go acceptance radius 1. And save. Maybe it's just too close. Let's go over here. Nah, because that should be flying towards me now. Huh. Huh. Interesting. Very interesting. Unless it's referencing... You know what? Why do I even have that? Is it getting... That should be following me. That should be following me. Okay. Okay. How to make an object follow? How to make any object follow you in Unreal Engine? Okay, that's what I'm looking for. No, don't need your fucking intro. Okay, yeah. Pawn sensing. Okay. Hopefully that pawn sensing thing is still good, because this is 3 years ago. Because that will make the... That might make my enemy follow you shit a lot fucking easier. Okay, he's basically done what I did. You cast the thing. AI move to, you get the target actor as the self. You get the target actor and you move to the fucking thing. The only difference is he did pawn sensing rather than begin play. Okay. Okay, so... Ow. Yeah, looks like my problem is begin play. My problem is right at the root of this. And it's in the fact that it's happening on event begin play. So... Yeah. Oop. Really hoping I didn't break anything. Because this is the drive that everything is currently Being saved to. Yep, it's still good. Still got it. Still got it. Everything can be saved. Okay, we're good. Woo! I'm just gonna fucking save all. Just gonna do that just for my own. Yeah, because I moved my chair and I knocked the thing and I slightly bumped the drive that this is stored on. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna do what he fucking did and get the pawn sensing going. Which means I do need to put in a viewport. I need to add pawn sense. Pawn sensing. There we go. Which seems to be a whole ass fucking set of raycasts and collisions. Interesting. This might be a lot of fun when I get my when I have to do vision cones. On pawn sense. On C pawn. Bop. Alright, what was it he fucking used? On C, yeah, he used on C pawn. Okay, problem is this will work with, that works when we see any pawn. But it still should work. Okay. Bang. Nope. Doesn't fucking move. Doesn't fucking move. Why? Fucking why? Okay. Okay. That's fun. It just does not work. So my problem wasn't on begin play, it's something different. Cool. That's fun. How to make any other? Let's just keep that tabbed. How to move things along the spline path? I'm not trying to move things along the spline path. Make objects. How to make objects while playing? That's 2020. That's weird. Do I have to do something to the... No? I need the destination. All you need is the destination and what you're moving. Also, these should definitely be exceptions radius of 0. So, right, okay. So, yeah, okay. So let's. I'm just gonna remove target. Okay, because I think the problem is that it doesn't know where the player is. Get actor transform. Cube. Oh, god damn it. So transform, that's a vector. Get actor vector. Actor up vector. Actor right vector. Get actor location. Give me the fucking location. Okay, let's see if this works. I'll be annoyed if it does, because that means that target actor thing is pointless. So, oh, making the acceptance radius 0. Okay, making the acceptance radius 0 for the AI broke it. I'm just gonna fix that. Let's do that. Let's do 1. Let's do 1. Double check if this works. Yeah, okay, that works again. No follow. Okay. Is it? Right, this... Okay, follow tail viewport. Are you... You're movable. You're not static. You're movable. So that's fine. Is this movable? That's movable. Is the sphere movable? The sphere is movable. Let's try that. Because there's got to be something tiny that I'm missing here. That's the only thing I could do. Like, there's got to be something small missing here. So you go bonk, and then okay. Alright, okay. Let's just find out first. Does this work? We're breaking out the old. Does this work? I see you. Okay. Okay. So this should flood with I see you, except it doesn't. Okay, so you don't see me. Alright, let's just check something. Alright. Enemy I1. Follow tail. Follow tail is it is a character. It is the right thing. It's called the fucking... Alright, so it is not seeing you. So you're the problem. On C pawn. Okay, which we have. Maybe it's because this is... No, because that's an output. Okay. Let's just fucking see if this behaves itself. Because realistically, this should work whenever it sees any pawn and it should start running towards... Yep, still doesn't move. Still doesn't fucking move. And it still worries me that it only spawns 1. Okay, so give me the player. So it's not seeing the pawn because it's not printing that, because that should be printing to the screen. We should be getting a big old print string that says, I see you. So what's your fucking problem? Okay, so this... I'm only going to try... So this is all the default stuff. We know the default thing works because that's what's on the enemy AI. It's this son of a bitch that's going to be... Destroy that instead of the... We are spawning the right thing, right? We're spawning the right thing. Yeah, the character follow tail. And then this doesn't need to do anything further. That interaction finished. That's not the problem. Problem is you. Why the fuck? Seriously, why the fuck is this not... Is this because I turned off this thing generating overlap events? I'm pissed off if it is. So I'm just trying to make sure that that fucking capsule component didn't cause any problems. Spadang. Okay, it's not. But it should still be saying I see you. Alright. Okay. Okay, so that doesn't work. Why doesn't that work? We have a component specifically designed for sensing pawns. Does the actor see or hear pawns in the world? It does nothing on network clients. What the fuck is... Yeah, so... Yeah, it creates a character and it goes... Just puts a fucking cube in it. And a pawn sensing. Hang on a fucking second. Okay, yeah, no, it is reference. It is still using the same component. Yeah. With the exception of the print string, that is literally what I did. That is literally what I did, and that is literally what he did. With the exception of the delay to make it happen more than once. Which actually, I guess I don't need at the moment. Because this is going to happen again whenever it sees things, so it's going to just keep working. So let's simplify that down, cut it to bits, and see if it behaves itself this time. So is the problem that it doesn't like being spawned? Okay. On character spawn. Or even just on spawn. Did I use a... But it is spawning it as a character, not an actor. So it still has the movement component. It's not like I'm spawning an actor version of it. Like, is that... That's the little character UI symbol. That's the same one. It has the character movement component. Has the pawn sensing. It is movable. Doesn't need to animate. What is the... I am flummoxed as to why this isn't working. I am genuinely flummoxed as to why this isn't working. There is no logical the only right. It's got to have a problem with it being spawned. So that's got to be the... That's the only thing I can think of. Alright. When in doubt, let's try this. Ignore my desktop. You'll watch the friggin... You'll watch the friggin' Kingdom Hearts video. You'll have seen my background before, my desktop before. So, okay, let's open DFTR again. Yeah, reopen those. Just keep those open. Show me my wireframe. So I got a nice top-down view of the level, and then shrink it to shit. I'm mostly just about seeing the layout, so shrink the shit out of that so I can see. So I can see what is what. Okay. Okay, so it wasn't just a... Alright, so it wasn't one of those things where it's like, oh, something's not loaded properly. Whoa! Balls! This is supposed to be a nice, chill, creative stream. It's not been very chill. I'm getting quite frustrated. Okay, right. Okay, so... That's the AI. Right, so we know this isn't triggering. We know this isn't triggering because this isn't happening. And it should be printing to the screen. So. Okay. Has pawn sensing been... So has pawn sensing been made... Pawn sense isn't working. Okay, so there's a forum post here being like, yo, why the fuck the pawn sense ain't working? Okay, a lot of people going, okay. Pawn sense component is attached to an actor and placed on top of the map, so there are 2 pawns inside of sense volume. Only sense players is disabled. Oh, there is an only sense players thing, so I should... That will... I'll or fucking not, apparently. Navigation. Can I ever influence navigation? Shouldn't be influencing navigation. Cool. Okay. There may also be a problem where I don't have... Where an AI controller has not been assigned to this thing, so it's just not working. So there is that. Which means that it just wouldn't be doing anything. Do you have a... So, do I have the AI controller here? Enemy AI 1, enemy AI 2, player start. So they get, so AI controller 0, AI controller 1. Destroys the controller. There is no controller for Follow Tail. Right. That might be the root of our problem rather than the pawn sense. Okay. Attach AI controller has 2 L's, Jay. Object. I have been roaming the forums for answers. I know you choose spawn actor from class, set your enemy to spawn as respective BT, and then you spawn the default controller. But this doesn't work. You take physics with no control. To take run physics with no controller and set movement mode. Okay. 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 Jesus. Maybe that's... Okay. Spawn AI from class. Let's see if that works. Spawn Follow Tail. Behavior tree. Spawn default controller? I don't know. Okay, there is no behavior tree. Wait a second. What? Choose the behavior tree in the node settings and spawn default controller. No results. Check your filters. Okay. Good talk. If set and the function has successfully spawned an AI controller. Okay. That's a vector, isn't it? It's fine. It's fine. Just change that to a vector. Compile. Save. Run. Let's see if this works. I don't think it will, but... Yep, it ain't even spawning shit now. No, wait, hang on a minute. AI controller, enemy AI, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, it is not spawning shit or Shinola. Alright. Let's go back to what I was doing before, because it's not the AI. It's clearly not the AI problem. Fucking reset all of that. Okay. This is very frustrating because everything I'm doing should be working. Okay. Spawn AI won't move. Yeah, let's do that. Nope, that's the wrong one. Okay. So spawn default controller. Target self. Target spawn, yeah. The world outline, I look for an object called recast nav mesh. Okay. Select in the details. Okay, hopefully this works. Save, you bastard. Alright. Fire. Oh, yeah, he's not even spawning. Jesus. Oh, God, oh, fucking mighty. I'm just making it worse. We're just making it worse. Oh, God damn it, it's not even spawning in the right place anymore. Is it spawning at all? It is spawning. It's fucked off in the distance, but it's spawning. Okay. You... Yep, no longer have a default location. Just great. Okay, let's see. Player... Show me player start. Player start. Let's go back to what we're doing. Let's copy that. And Paste. File. Run it. Oh, yeah. Okay, we got our balls back. Oh, Jesus Christ. Now let's try the spawn. Let's try the spawn fucking default controller. Event begin play. Spawn default controller. That should be all I need to do. Save it and let's see. Let's run him into me. Hey! Oh, it was because we didn't have a default controller. Fan-fucking-tastic. Now what happens if I spawn another one? Okay! Oh, Jesus, that actually just works pretty much perfectly. They line up pretty well. Okay, so the problem was that I wasn't spawning an AI controller to go with it. Okay. Problem dealt with. That was very, very stupid. Okay. So. We'll have our movement. We're destroy the enemies. And we have our spawn thing. Now all I need to do is edit those to make them look better and function. Okay. Alright. That's the basic. I can definitely clean it up a bit. Oh, sorry, the fizz in that's making my eyes water. You can definitely clean this. We can definitely clean this up a bit. But at least I don't need to loop it. At least I don't need to loop it. So does that right? Does this actually change anything? Does this actually change anything? Not really. Okay. Right. That is a bit of a problem, but yeah, because you shouldn't be able to go back on your tail and snake anyway. Okay. So I can just do that. I'm gonna leave. Yeah, fucking just delete that. Take me 2 seconds to put it back. Okay. Get player character. Don't need that. Don't need that. Let's just move all that over. Tidy this up a bit. Okay. Actually, yeah. Comment. Make sure to spawn with the goddamn AI controller. And this is just going to be great comment, and that is going to be follow the bastard. Okay. Now we have to do the unfortunate part of the spawning, which is going to be to set the location. So can I get vector? Okay. Get back. Get character. Jesus. Right. So what I need to do is I need to get it to spawn, and I need to get it to spawn behind me. So I need to get it spawned behind me, which I can use to throw into the transform here. So, which would be remove tail spawn, and then chuck that straight in. Okay. Right. So this is the point where if I was in doing straight coding in Unity, I would just indent a big old fucking if statement to be like, right, if blah blah blah, if already spawned, then blah, if already then spawn here, if not spawn further away, plus 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 plus. Run it all perfectly fine. This, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do with this. It's like looking at a friggin' switchboard. So yeah, we need new. Problem is we need new spawn locations for this. We need how the fuck am I gonna do that? Okay, so okay, so we need to get location. Get around location in navigable race. Fuck off, no. Get last known location. Get location. Okay. Get self. Get help. We're not doing get help. Okay. Okay. Okay, that is not what I need. Honestly, what I need is cast to capsule. Cast the capsule component. Get her for self. As capsule collision. Right, no, because we need to do some shit to this. This needs to be fucking. Because we need to get this. We need to get the location of the capsule collision, which is the player character's collision, which will work, and then we get their location, and we go, okay. Capsule collision. Oh, for fuck's sake. Seriously? Seriously? Jesus Christ. Character. Get capsule component. Thank you. Fuck off. Right. Compile. Is that going to work? Capsule component is already a calculation. Apparently, this is the only way I can get get access to its guts. So fuck off with your. Don't need to cast. So we need to get the fucking. Jesus, my brain is not working. Get the locations and move it over. Okay? Okay. So I need to apply a transform. This should be get location. Transformation. Get world location. Done value. Apply transform. You know what, can just honestly, genuinely just fuck off down there for a minute. So this minus, let's say, no, because that'll just spawn it to one specific corner of us. I want it to spawn behind us. Guess the rotation of the fucking component. So give me the rotation. I need to return a rotator. Cool. Cool? Cool. Then so we've got the rotation. And I now need to spawn something at 180 degrees to it. Like that. Okay. Multiply by. It's always going to be -1. And then that's going to return a rotator. Can I expand you? Transform has a rotation. No. No. Yes. Yes. No. No, because that setting that would just spin it. Shit. Because multiplying that by -1 would automatically give you whatever is the opposite. It would just invert it. Because that's what multiplying by -1 does. It inverts. So we have the rotation. So we have the direction it's pointing. Ah, Jesus. And now I just want to have something in that direction. Which means I'm probably using the wrong thing. I probably don't need the rotation. Okay, Jesus. Oh no, God. So how to spawn an actor just in front of the player at a set distance. It's exactly what I want, but I want to do it inverted. Okay, so yeah, I was going a bit mad with the rotation stuff. So we're overcomplicating this. So get actor location, which doesn't exist. Son of a bitch. No. I don't need a fucking layer. Get all actors. Okay. So I can just get a reference to the self. Okay. That's fine. Don't need to cast to it, but apparently that's the only way I can get into its fucking guts. Get actor transform. Okay. Piss off with your rotation. Get actor transform. Okay. Subtract. Oh shit. Get transform location. Shit. Okay, no. So get actor rotation. Get actor location. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Give me a subtract. This should be 2 things away on the X. Two away on the Y. Make transform. Make it into a transform. Okay. Blueprints are weird. Blueprints are really weird. Because it actually kind of means I don't need this. Don't need that at all. I can just directly access it, which is nice. So that should spawn it just directly behind the player. Cast failed. Let's see. It just says, I don't know, man, this is all kind of fucked. Okay. That all compiles. Save. Run it. So, let's run away from the thing. Spawns it behind me, but it doesn't follow me anymore. Why don't you follow me? Oh, you follow me now? Okay. Okay, that's weird. Okay. Doesn't spawn unless I get... Spawns static initially and then doesn't follow me. Okay. You go... Right, you go here. And you go... I'm going to stand still and wait for it to hit me. Bang. It's then static. But it should be... And then I get close enough. Right, okay. So what I think I need to do for that is I need to expand the pawn sense. I need to expand... If I expand the pawn sensing, we should be alright. Jesus Christ. God, fucking... Oi! Oh, you don't have a scale. Okay. But also... Okay, your sight radius is 5,000. You're spawning within 1. Maybe if I spawn it you're spawning within 2. Maybe if I do -5 each way. Because maybe the problem is that it's colliding with the player, and then it's having a problem. I'll go like that, and then I get... The fuck? That's weird. I'm gonna try expanding the sight radius. I'm gonna try doubling the sight radius, see if that does anything. Okay, so you have to... Alright. Okay. It's also spawning at the wrong point. See if I just do it on the x-axis, see if it behaves itself. Oh, I just fucking missed him. Let's try facing a particular way, just to see if it spawns in the right place. Okay. I'm probably doing something very basically wrong. So. Okay, so it's always going to appear above me. It's always going to appear in front of me. It's always going to appear above me. Also forgot that I was subtracting 5. Oh! Okay. Was it because I was subtracting a negative and it was appearing above me? Is that why? Why the fuck did that make it work? Why the fuck did that make it work? Away from here. And then catch it there, and then, yeah, that works! Bang, that fucking works. Why did that make it work? Why did that make it work? I swear to God, computers are eldritch horrors and programming is just witchcraft and just hoping things go together. Mother of God. Fucking Jesus. Okay, so I've got the following. It needs cleaned up. It really needs cleaned up. But for now, it works. What I am going to do, actually, is I'm going to shrink them. I'm going to shrink those balls. Because genuinely, they are quite big balls. So bring that down. Let's bring that down to about there, about half the size. Same with the collision. Bring it down about there. Just because that's probably going to be easier to deal with when we're moving around. Let's run that. Yeah, that's less problematic. Oh, that one's stopped. Okay. Is it, okay, that one. Can they both stop following me? Alright then. See, this is the thing. I've no idea why that's happening. That has no right to be happening. That has absolutely no fucking right to be happening. And let's see if I just do it at 75% size. That's fine. Bonk, 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 bonk. They are bonking into each other quite a bit, so yeah, you can get stuck a bit. You have a bit of problem there. Okay. Right, first thing I'm actually going to do right now, while I remember, because this will be really easy, is I need a variable that is just going to be called tail count, and it is going to be an integer. Compile that. You have a default thing of 0, and so it is going to be. You are going to get no. You're going to get a setting of tail count. Set tail count. Tail count naturally 0. And we are going to get a again an addition, and it's going to result in that. It's going to be tail count. Get tail count. Tail count plus 1. That's it. And then I'm going to print tail count just to see that that's not looping itself to shit. Yeah, print the integer. Okay, because that I can use for the multiplier shit later on, and it just means that that's done and it's there. I've remembered it. And inevitably it's going to cause me problems. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so it's not going to loop itself to shit. We're all right. Okay, so we're all right there. We're still a bit janky in the following. But theoretically, that does work. Theoretically, that does work. So I should probably do the scoring next. Which is just going to be set up a trigger volume, give it a sprite, and when you cross over it, set tail count to 0, set score count to, and then basically it's just gonna be like this thing has a flag, and then all the processing can be done in the character. It's gonna be set score count to tail count. I'll set up the equation. It'll be tail count times 100. If tail, yeah, I'll set up a load of branches that's just like calculate the score, and it'll be branches being like if tail count is more than bleh. Actually, that's can we go greater? Can we get a greater than or equal to? Yes, that gives us a Boolean output. Can we get just a greater? Yeah, no, a greater or equal is probably what we're after. So I'll be able to feed that into a branch, no problem. Okay. Problem is, this happens every time it hits something. Okay. You check triggers. So yeah, I just need to set up a trigger volume. I'm going to double check the thing I had before. Did I close that? I'm stupid. History. Player characters. Yeah. I'm just checking the tutorial to see if it sets to double check that I'm setting things up right, because otherwise I'm going to bumble around for the next half an hour. Okay. Alright, yeah, let's just... Okay, yeah, we'll fucking stick a trigger box in. It'll be... yeah, let's just... Yeah, because that's not... Yeah, okay. So let's just put it over here. Let's put it here. No, let's... Right, let's... Yeah. Okay, sorry. Because this thing doesn't have any fucking options, so it's going to do this. So I'm going to just put it here at the end of this thing. So yeah, just... Okay, so we open the... So we're opening the level blueprint, which I've never done before. Okay. You select the trigger box and then... Okay. Select that. Sorry, I have to do this off screen. Okay, so we can call a function when when someone walks through the fucking... Okay. Call a function on trigger box. Okay. Okay. So yeah, you just go add the event, collision, add on actor, begin overlap, which looks like this. Yeah. Cast to BP, third person character. Make sure it's the right one. Okay, that's moving on to create an explosion effect. So right, this is what we've got. Someone's fucking trying to get in contact with me. Not my problem right now. So okay, that's going on to like talk about creating an emitter and an explosion effect. So yeah, it's playing a sound and having a thing happen, and then right in order to okay, so then we create the event in the character, which is the thing. Okay, right, we're doing Jesus Christ. Event begin overlap. Event actor begin overlap. Can I cast to a trigger volume? Cast a trigger box. Object. Fuck. Object. This trigger box. It's kind of too much to hope that clicking and dragging would work on that. Fair enough. Jesus. So he's doing some ragdolling and then okay, so then you can just run the function straight out of the cast. Okay. Okay. How did he fucking do that? Did he just create an event? Okay. So this would just be fucking score. Okay, how did he fucking do that? How did he create a... Okay, so he does it once, then it's add custom event, right? Okay, cool. What? That's what we're after. We're adding custom event, which is going to be called deposit. Jesus, my typing is It's going to be called deposit tail. And then we just attach the things that happen when this event is called, and it's going to get called in the trigger box, and okay, that's fine. Okay. Right, so need another variable, which is going to be another variable integer, which can just be called score. Score is again also going to be default set to 0. So we are going to go with I'm going to create a branch. I'm going to have to do a few. I'm probably going to end up doing a few of these. Because you would start at the biggest and then work your way down. Like if it's bigger than 10, then do this scoring. If it's, and then sort of cascade down into smaller and smaller numbers. So give me a greater than or equal to here. If tail count, get tail count, is greater than or equal to 10, then the true condition would be oh my god, we just did this. Right, then it will be just going straight to set score. Then it'll all cast up into set score. It'll all resolve into set score, which will set score. This will come down to another branch, and so it'll kind of cascade down, and down and down and down and down and down. Okay, so this will set, and can I... Yes, I can connect them. Okay. Except I shouldn't, because they're all multiplying by different things. So what I need to do... So this is the input of score. Whatever the fuck score equals at the moment... going to be hang on, sorry, no, I've been stupid. And I said my music. Okay, so we're gonna multiply, which is going to be hang on, sorry. No, hang on a moment. Because you're not multiplying the score, you're multiplying two numbers. Okay. My eyes have gone very blurry. Oh god. Am I going blind? Am I going blind? My eyes have just gone really... Fuck. My eyes have just gone really blurry. Okay, I think I'm alright. I think it's... Jesus. Okay, I'm okay. Okay, sorry. Had a moment. Okay, so the idea is that... Yeah. So you get the... So, yeah, you were getting tail count... So, yeah, you were getting tail count... Yeah, tail count... Because you're always going to get tail count multiplied by 100... Because that's going to be your base score. And then you're going to multiply that again. Then you're going to multiply that again by, let's say, 5. Because that's your multipliers. If you have 10 people, you get score times 5. And then yes, right, okay. Then you add that to score, whatever score is at the moment. And then you set score to that. Have you checked your butt out? Okay, so that happens. Okay. Right. So we first check if it's greater than 10. If it's greater than or equal to 10, if it's not greater than or equal to 10, is it greater than or equal to 5? Is it greater than or equal to 5? Then cool. And then yeah, we'll just copy and paste this whole fucking thing. Then run that there. Except you're not multiplying it by 5, you're multiplying it by 2. Where if it is give me a equal to that, and yeah, we'll be able to test. Um, it is we do this. All of these should come out to, at the moment, a print string of all the in itself. So there goes my music. Yeah, no, I need to run last thing. And just run that straight to there. I'm definitely gonna fiddle with these numbers. These should work. You want to play because that'll be good. third person map. As the character, we go. That should be it. That's so test this one last thing. I'm gonna call it. That. I missed that thing. One, two, 400 points. Didn't. Did I put the trigger box? Fucking. Maybe a little bit. Chat. Well, print. We'll print the score. And then tail. Is 0. Then we'll set tail to 0, and then you destroy. Destroy. What can I destroy? Destroy an actor. Okay. Follow tail. And destroy. Can I? That should work. Resetting. Check that it's third person character. Yes, it's deposit tail. Done. I'm gonna because it's currently. I really need that access to leave it there. I was going to compile that. I can compile that. So we go bang, so we go 1. And that should just. No, it's not triggering. Okay. Not no. Why aren't you fucking good? You bastard. Why the fuck aren't you triggering? You bastard. You bastard. Let's just over this. Does the player first playlist that I'm doing so far would work? Okay. Why are you not working then? Why is that? Huh. So yeah, that should just work. Wait, 1. Okay, so the casting is failing. So the casting is failing. That is the problem. On actor, we're going to overlap. And this does have, generate huh. Oh, I think I might have gotten the wrong thing. Might have connected the wrong node. Let's see if that behaves itself a bit better. So, give me your boy. So we get 1. That should. Huh. Because that is triggering the thing. But it's not printing the... Huh? So it's running through that. That's happening. But none of this is actually running. Okay, maybe I was just testing the wrong thing. So I was only testing that with 1. So let's run that again. Go bang. Then go 100. Done. And okay, right. 1, 200. Okay, so the score works and is additive. Let's see if it works with the multipliers. Give me a cunt. Give me 1. Give me 2. 400. Done. Okay, so the scoring system works. Actually, yeah, the scoring system just straight up works. It doesn't need any further testing than that. But yeah, I'm gonna call that there. I'm gonna call that there. Thanks very much, everybody, for watching. I'll hopefully be back next Friday, and I'll try not to be so frustrated, but I cannot guarantee that. We might still be doing this. I might do something else, depending on how I'm feeling. But yeah, thanks everyone. It's a good time. Bye-bye.